What can I substitute for milk in a Hamburger Helper recipe?
Hello, food enthusiasts. Today, we're going to talk about a common dilemma many home cooks face: how to substitute milk in a Hamburger Helper recipe. Milk gives the dish a rich, creamy taste and texture, but sometimes, we may not have it on hand or we may have dietary restrictions. Don't worry, there are plenty of alternatives available. Let's explore them.
Dairy-free substitutes.
If you're avoiding dairy, the good news is there are many plant-based milks available on the market that can be used as a one-to-one substitute for cow's milk in your Hamburger Helper. Almond milk is one of the most common dairy-free substitutes. It's slightly sweet and nutty but won't overpower the flavor of your dish. Soy milk is another good choice. It's richer and creamier than almond milk, making it a great substitute if you want to maintain the creaminess of the dish. Oat milk is gaining popularity because of its creamy consistency and neutral taste, which is perfect for savory dishes.
Lactose-free substitutes.
If lactose is the issue, there are also substitutes you can use. These are milk-based products, but the lactose has been removed or broken down, making them easier to digest. Lactose-free milk is an excellent substitute, offering a very similar taste and texture to regular milk. Hard cheeses, like cheddar, are usually low in lactose and can be used to add creaminess and flavor. You may need to add a bit of water to achieve the right consistency.
Other substitutes.
If you're in a pinch and don't have any kind of milk or milk substitute on hand, there are still options. Stock or broth, you could use a stock or broth. Beef or vegetable stock would work well with the savory flavors of Hamburger Helper. Cream of mushroom soup can also be used, providing a rich and creamy texture and enhancing the dish's overall flavor. And there you have it, a variety of versatile substitutes for milk in your Hamburger Helper recipe. Each alternative lends a unique flavor and texture to your dish, so don't be afraid to experiment and see which one you like the best. Remember, cooking is all about creativity and making the recipe your own. Enjoy your cooking journey!